Everyone, welcome to another video of mine. It's your boy Lamakana here live once again. Today is another keycap reveal. This time, unfortunately to say, we are going off the rails a little bit. I know we kind of stuck to a theme, we stuck to a whole premise. However, that's kind of been derailing a little bit just due to my sort of inclination and interpersonal interests in certain things out of spontaneously. So here we have something I never thought I will get because I'm literally not allowed to eat this. I'm quite allergic. However, it is one of the best, I suppose, human inventions to sort of consume. I mean, right off the bat, we have all this little chiromery, and boom, here we are. Basically, like, oh wow, it's heavy. I guess somewhat of a replica of Ferrero Rocher, or however you want to say it. But this time, if I could zoom in, it says Keycap Tribe. Of course, I'm assuming for copyright reasons and legal reasons. Yeah, he can't really print that name on this. But wow, it's quite, wow, it actually looks and feels great. The detail is immaculate. Wow, that's crazy. It feels like the real thing. Like, it feels like real aluminum. That's crazy. Am I here to endorse the chocolate brand Ferrero? No, I'm not. But I just brought this because it just reminded me of someone and something, and my personal taste of chocolate recently. Like, I forgot what chocolate tastes like. So this kind of just reminded me of all of that. So I thought, like, you know what, this could be a nice collection to the keyboard family. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully I guys could show you the finished results. Wow, how nice is this?
Do you know the way? What does it even mean anymore?